Welcome to Tailift Stay Safe. Here's a demonstration of our tailift safety system. We unfold the tailift first. The next step is to deploy the system. So we release the drop latches in preparation for opening the system. We locate the arm into the drop latch on the door, and as you can see, the door is now secured. You don't need to open the doors onto oncoming traffic or against vehicles parked in tight areas. With the system deployed, you can see that the platform is fully enclosed. The doors retained offer a solid side protection. Another advantage is they shield the driver from wind and driving rain with a rear protection belt. The system can be operated with the strap attached all the time, or it can be removed quickly to fold the doors down the side of the body. As the taillift is lowered, the driver and the load goes underneath the belt, so it doesn't need to be removed.